Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today my topic is present perfect versus past perfect. But before proceeding, I would like to tell you one of the important thing. As far as present perfect and past perfect tenses are concerned, these are very important in terms of human resource development. Why and how? Many students so far compelled me to deliver your lecture on present perfect and the past perfect. As far as or so far as my experience of past is concerned, that as a student, when I was reading in 10th class, when I was reading in 8th class, at that time it was very difficult also for me to understand these two types of tenses. So I deem it proper to deliver a lecture on the present perfect versus past perfect. Before delving upon, I want to give you a definition on the present perfect. The present perfect is a grammatical combination of the present tense and perfect aspect that is used to express a past event that has present consequences. The term is used in the context of grammar to refer to forms like I have finished my work. Now, as I have written a sentence here, I have finished my work. Now, let us see this sentence and try to understand it. As I have written here, this is pronoun. This is pronoun plus have. This is root verb. Then I write here finished, and this is the third form of verb. This is the third form of verb. So it's very easy to understand the present perfect. As I told you that the present perfect is a grammatical combination of the present tense and perfect aspect. It means the action were carried out in the past, but its effect is also on the present. So, upon that, or consequently, I would give you number of examples. Suppose I write here, I have done my class work. You have done your class work. They have done their class work. He has done his class work, or he has done his homework. The most important aim of this my lecture is to give you the understanding of this pronoun plus root verb have and the third form that is being used in the formation of these sentences. As I have written here, I, this is pronoun, then I have written here have, this is the root verb, and done. It is the third form of verb. Third form of verb. Likewise, we have my, this is reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun. So far as reflexive pronoun in this sentence is concerned, reflexive pronoun simply indicates that it reflects the back on the pronoun. So therefore there is a relation between my and I. Suppose I write here I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her. I is pronoun, you is also pronoun, he is pronoun, she is pronoun, my is reflexive pronoun, your is reflexive pronoun, his is reflexive pronoun, her is reflexive pronoun. Even sometimes they are also called as possessive forms of the verb. They are called as possessive forms of the verb. Now, we understood that in case of present perfect, we use always pronoun plus have plus third form of plus rest of the sentence, or simply we can say we use subject. We use subject, but it is very difficult for some other kids, the young ones, young toddlers, to understand this.